Okay, so I just got this bag today. I spent a lot of time looking for a bag and trying to research one that I wanted. I am moving and I was really hoping to get a bag that was kind of like a cream color or a taupe, sort of like the dusty pink, all of that. However, this bag, as you can see it in front of me, it appears a little bit more taupe in the video than it does in person. In person, it looks like a gray with almost kind of a purple undertone. The first thing that I noticed was this little insignia right here, and you can see there's like this little piece of plastic. It was like that on the other side as well. I personally, I don't like the look of the hardware. I think that's immediately my least favorite thing. I think it looks cheap personally, and that's the thing is, like, I like the stitching. I like the zippers. The color, it's okay. I think I would prefer it to look more like how it does in the video than it does in front of me. Like I said, it's kind of more of like a mauve, a deep mauve, than like a taupe. And dusty pink is definitely a very inaccurate description. I could handle like dusty mauve. The lining itself, like this right here, this fabric, and then especially, oh, sorry, let me just, one moment here, get everything unzipped. Oh, these right here, this.
Guys, this bag is amazing. It's got, I thought it was going to be a shiny material, which I was unsure about this bag, by the way. I'm always unsure and questioning. The quality is beautiful in this material. You can wipe, and I'll try not to make you dizzy. The pockets stretch. They stretch. I'm sorry if this is making you dizzy. Pockets stretch really, really big. It fits my daughter's 30-ounce cup. This is a 15 ounce. This is a 15-inch bag. They have a 17-inch one. This is perfect for my daughter who is going in 5th grade. But it would be good for 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade. No, I think high schoolers would probably prefer a 17-inch bag, but for her size, it's perfect. Up to my hand, it looks tiny, but it really isn't. And it's got a front giant pocket with mini pockets and a cup holder on the inside. And then, obviously, it's got the second pocket in the back with the mini pockets. And then this material is not cheap either, which I was unsure about at all, but it really is beautiful. And I love the color. My daughter liked this color, and I was...
No, you're good. Yeah, for stock items.
So here's the bag, and then when I open the bag to put the pens in, and there's nowhere to put them, then I realize when I go in, the pockets are sewn upside down. So the pen pockets, or a cell phone pocket, is pack of gum or whatever you want to put in there, is. I don't normally do video reviews, but this backpack is awesome. So, I've got tons and tons of pockets. You can fit 2 USB drives, pencils, all kinds of stuff. Another pocket for cords. Another pocket, this charger thing.